Hi, welcome back. This is where we left off last time. Walls decorated, all prepared. Now we got a traditional sweep and twist limited to install the flue and do final connections downstairs, and to actually do commissioning of the fire, and they're gonna record everything to DEFRA and local building control office. It is a bit tricky feeding this tube to the chimney, but it's all there, it's all possible.
It's all on you, Ian, now. All on you.
Outside section is all done. Now they just need to trim this tube and actually connect the plate, register plate, as you can see, that black plate underneath, and commission the fire. This is a double stove fire that is accessible with a door on both sides.
Fully open.
First fire going on. A big thanks to Faye from Traditional Twist and Sweep Limited. Another job well done.